I'm here by the Welland River today. I'm going to do my river crossing for our fundraising campaign. Just to give you a bit of background, Initiative 360, a charity that I'm a trustee on, and our clinic, Primary Care Niagara, has partnered with Bridging the Gap Africa in this fundraising effort. Initiative 360 will match every dollar given up to $20,000, and we're looking at raising $40,000 to build a bridge in Kenya that will provide more access to a girls' school. It's an exciting program. You can read more about it on our website, initiative360.org. I'm about to get it in the water. I'm going to strap my GoPro on my head and give you a first-hand experience of crossing the Welland River with me today. Join you soon.
Hey Pam, I'm going across the other side. The current's going to take me over there. That's unpredictable.
Okay, hey, listen, I just want to interrupt my river crossing and explain what's happening now. I'm in the middle of the Welland River. I'm way off course from where I thought I would be. The current is a lot stronger than I thought it would be. I'm exhausted. I just want to show you what's going on here in the backpack here. This is all I got keeping myself afloat. I made a flotation device out of plastic bottles. I thought that would be pretty much what they might have in Africa. I'm really glad I did, because right now I'm so exhausted. I'm not even sure if I'm going to make it through this river right now. And now is when I need your help. If you'd like to see how I complete this river crossing, would you mind helping me out by donating to this cause? You can go onto our website, initiative360.org, initiative360, that's initiative360.org. Click on the link for the River Rock. You can see about the project, you can see a link to the blog where other people are rocking across the country, and you can also see how this video finishes. Just pause the video right now and think about what it would be like to be in the middle of a river, crossing it to try to get to a clinic for your family. Just enter into the experience. That's what this is all about. Once you've done that, press play again and see the rest of my crossing.
That was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Now this is where I just crossed. It's in Welland River in Niagara Falls. That's Stanley Avenue, that's the bridge over Stanley Avenue. And this is the Welland River. I thought it would be a lot easier than it was. The current was strong and it pushed me well under the bridge to the other side. You know, when you stand here it doesn't look that far. It's a long way. I'm sure happy for bridges. I don't have to cross rivers like that to find health care for myself or my family.